Well, also tonight, it's a small town of about 1,000 people facing some big changes that could affect the long-term future of families in Prospect in Marion County.
City leaders there say if the floodway expands as proposed by way of the Army Corps of Engineers, the community could be at a big loss. It affects everything from home values to the ability to get flood insurance. Our Sean Lanier joins us now from Marion County, and they are worried there tonight, Sean.
Yeah, that's right. A lot of residents here in Prospect, they tell me that they want to get more information on this possible expansion here that'll happen in their city if this proposal goes through. I want you to take a look this way. Where the flooding is actually happening at, the river is just beyond that tree line. This is a part of the floodway, but if we take the camera and look down this way across the street, across Elm Street, that is not a part of the floodway, but it could be. City administrator tells me that he believes the expansion just goes too far.
This pink area is existing floodway, and they are going to expand the floodway, which is the most critical part of flooding area, to this purple.
It's an expansion that could cause this village to shrink. The Army Corps of Engineers has made a proposal to expand the floodway in Prospect, Ohio. City Administrator Ken Blue says if the proposal passes, it would affect at least 50 homeowners and businesses.
But floodway is considered unbuildable, really.
He says it will also be almost unlivable because the flood insurance will be more expensive, making it nearly impossible for homeowners to sell their house to people who want to move here.
We're concerned that it's going to drastically decrease property values, Sean. And we're concerned for our residents, we're concerned for our community.
He adds the city is poised to get answers to why this is happening and to see if the expansion needs to be this big.
We're going to shoot elevations. We're going to get some information from National Weather Service and through those numbers from our surveyor and see if we can argue the point with Army Corps before that proposal becomes basically law.
And the Army Corps of Engineers, they're supposed to meet with city and county leaders sometime in August or September to get more details on why this proposal is being presented now and if it's needed at all. They said they're going to continue to try to gather as much information to make the best decision for this village. Looking for you in Prospect, Sean Lanier, NBC4.